Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. This one of the customer has called me. This fridge is not cooling, so let's see what is the problem. So let me check. See, fan is running, but when I check, compressor is very hot. Compressor is overheat because reason of the condenser. See, condenser is very dirty. So let me turn off the switch. So I put some of the ice on top of the compressor, so compressor will be cool. Then in this time I have to clean the condenser. So clean it. So I have tried to clean by brush, but it's very hard because it's using in the kitchen, that's why it's very hard. It's oily also, so I have to put water. So put water, then wait for 5 minutes, then this dust will be soft, then clean by brush. See, I put lot of water for make it soft, then use it brush slowly. See, so let me clean, then we will be back. It will take time to clean it because dust is very hard. So dear viewers, I have cleaned. See, it's has been has been cleaned. Then also I have to use blower machine. Put again water. Then I'll clean by blower machine. So it has been around 20 minutes to clean. So after 20 minutes I have checked, the compressor has been started and it's making cool. I've shown the customer, it's making cool. See, it's frozen. So alhamdulillah, it's done. Thank you.